Hello, everyone. This is JJ from the Trading Syndicate.org. Hope you are all having a wonderful weekend. Little bit of a weekend update for you as we look for Globex tonight. Longer time frame traders. Now, this is where it gets interesting, right? When we liquidated, we just came and we couldn't even break into the cost basis that we launched off of. Now, I use composite profiles very rarely, but they're a great teaching tool to show this is your cost basis before distribution. Okay. And we had to put it on sale. So we came right back down and stopped well below cost basis. Now, larger time frames 67.88 and three quarters. It's the top of a very large range, the bottom of which is 65.47. I came up with these levels 5 years ago and they work extremely well. So just keep note, we've got to look above and fail of that level. Now, that generally means short and short it down. But if you are looking to go short or you are short from Friday, if we cannot take out Friday's low in the Globex or 67.45 and a half in RTH, it might still go sideways back and forth over this level. Sometimes when markets have limited supply like this one does, and it is run by speculative forces that are very large and very sophisticated, it could look above and fail and then do this back and forth. Annoying as that sounds, it's the worst thing that happens at the top of a range. Look out for that. If we start going back and forth like that, just trade the back and forth area until a seller shows itself and we start getting underneath these levels. After we get under 45 and a half, of course, this 6,700 level is a natural, nice round number. Okay. But we need to see some follow through selling. There's a short position here at 67.35. Watch out for that, right? So if the market cannot get under Friday's low, then look for rotation upwards. Remember, a lot of times in the market, it sells off on at night, they into wholesale hands and then back up in Globex to redistribute into the retail flow for profit. Remember, that's how markets work. Keep that in mind if you are a longer term short. Let's see what happens. Okay. All right. Just so you have some scenarios and you understand what's going on. Now, lower references if we do get lower, right? If you do get lower, there's that 45. There are those single prints that I was talking about at 67.36. And here are our lower stops, right? So if you just pause the video, you'll see where the stops are. Now, when we do this, I've got another slide coming here, right? Once we get underneath that 67.28, it might be a big dump down to 6,700, right? Now, these are our stops, which we'll use at targets. The next slide is for those who pay attention to detail, and the detail is the inventory correction from the end of the month. That's where the initial short position at the end of the month was created, and it has not been traded at yet. These areas are small details that a lot of traders will miss. This is where inventory corrected and bids were found going into month end. So after a market goes through month end and price getting marked up, right? Month end, quarterly end, it's only natural to test this area again. Now, if we get down here, look to see what the reaction is. Down here it's 66.88 to 96, okay? If there's no bids here, that means the shorts have seen size and they're going to drop their bids, right? Any intelligent short, size short seller with two brain cells to rub together, as soon as they see size coming at their bids, they'll drop their bids. And now with electronic trading, it happens so fast, you can't even keep up. bids pull and get put in the system in microseconds. So just look for reaction, but reaction is still there. If there is a reaction, then look for sideways here and consolidation using those short sellers who are bid to cover underneath 66.88. Okay, and of course, upper targets, gosh, well, over 67.88 and three quarters were, up here at 68.04, 68.15, and then up to 68.24. If things get crazy, I'll have some new levels out for you this week. And that's pretty much it for us at the Trading Syndicate. We have a lot of exciting things happening. We're introducing a new AI trading coach. And I'm really one of those old traders who you have to prove it to me. This thing looks really cool and it will help retail traders have a resource that's available to them 24/7, which is where you can get accurate information instead of a bunch of mumbo jumbo. That's what we pride ourselves with at the Trading Syndicate is giving people accurate information they can actually use to make money. Come visit us, give us a shot for a month, see if you like it. Reach out to me. I'm there to help. I'm JJ, VWAP Trader 1 on X, and I hope you're having a wonderful weekend, everyone. We will see you this week. And it's going to be a heck of a last quarter. It's going to be challenging, but there will be a lot of opportunity for those who know what they're doing. Come learn with us. We'll show you the way. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye for now.